Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to make a triangle in Adobe Illustrator. So let's have a look now. To make a triangle in Illustrator, we will use Polygon Tool. So click on the rectangle tool and select Polygon Tool from here. Now click on your canvas and you will have this dialog box. Enter 3 in the size box. Click OK and you will see the triangle is here. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.